Hey everybody, how's it going? So I have a unboxing to do from Olsa Tools, so please stick around, check out the video, and we'll see what's in the box. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys there. Alright everybody, how's it going? Alright, so we're gonna open this box and see what's in the box from Olsa Tools. Okay. Well, it's actually really small. There's a couple plier organizers in here. So, the box is completely empty. So, Olsa Tools sent me some plier organizers. So it is Paul Lima Roger, Oscar Roger 16, X-Ray 2, X-Ray 0022, Greg, Vander, Mix, Ingrid, Zelda. That's the part number on the bag. In case anybody wants part number. Sent a little sticker like Olsa Tools normally does. It's pretty nice. I don't have any plier racks. I have a drawer full of pliers. So this will hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. It will hold 16 pliers. Just grab some pliers out the drawer, show you guys. Let's see. The back measures 2 inches and a half of an inch. So 2.5 inches. So you're going to need a minimum of a drawer with 2.5 inches. So move some of these pliers. Take this empty one, see if it fits in here. Move all my pliers. I have a crap ton of pliers. I probably need like 15 of these little plier racks, but it should clear just fine. It's just slightly taller, but which is not a big deal. Just slightly taller than this side. It still should clear the next drawer because the next drawer is about 1/4 of an inch higher than that. So these should fit in here with no problem. even if you put them this direction, like that. So I'm going to install these, make sure that they clear some of the pliers I have, and I'll show you guys a completed video next time. This is just going to be a quick video where I showed you what was in the box and showed you guys some pliers in here. So these are all my Knipex pliers. So these right here are all Milwaukee pliers, because you're going to want to make sure that when you put them in here, you're going to want to make sure that they clear sitting up as well. So, more than likely going to have to order probably 4 or 5 more of these. I'm pretty sure there's about 60 or 70 pliers in that drawer. But that's what it looks like that. So these are, put them in that way just to check. You got to make sure that when your pliers are standing up that they're not exceeding the drawer. So if I grab some of these pliers, put them up here, so there's a way to close the drawer. Then we'll see if the drawer will close. You know, because not all pliers are going to fit. If you have large pliers, they probably are not going to fit. Should be good for now. See right there? These rub on the next box. So you can see the paint on the bottom came off. So that's what you're going to have to be aware of when it comes to some of these pliers. So you might have to flip the pliers over. They still might be too tall. That's a little better. So some of the tall pliers, you're going to want to flip them around, slide them underneath. Like this. You're going to flip them around and slide them underneath the hole. Like that. We'll make them slightly lower profile. See, now they clear. And if you do that, you can slide this guy back. Like that. So some of these bigger pliers, like these DeWalt's right here, you're going to want to do the same thing. And DeWalt's might be too tall. Nope. Barely. It does slide and scrape the drawer for the DeWalt's. So what if you flip them upside down like that? Nope. So it's something you're gonna have to play with. Might not be enough room in your drawer for that. So dependent on how much space I have, because you can see there's 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There's 28 pliers in here, plus these. Yeah, I've got somewhere in the range of about 70 something pliers. So it may not be logical for me to use these racks. But I don't want the video to be too much longer. You know, these racks do take up space. So I'll let you guys know how it works out. If I like these, I will probably grab several more to rearrange the drawer. Like these files don't need to be in here. I have a bunch of files and picks in this drawer as well. But I do appreciate you guys hanging out with me today. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And at the top of the description below, I do have an Olsa Tools link that will provide you guys 10% off your order at olsatools.com. And it kicks me back 10% off my next order. So if you guys do use the link for something like this, it does help me out because it will allow me to get a discount when I buy some more of those. I'm not sure if I'm going to buy some more of them. I do know that I have to rearrange the box quite a bit just to fit all these pliers in there. And the amount of pliers I have may not be realistic for me to use those. But if they are, I'll let you guys know how they hold up in the future. These are these Craftsman double jointed pliers when Sears was around. But I do appreciate you guys' time. As always, like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope to see you guys on the next video. Thank you guys so much for your time, and appreciate you guys watching. And I'll let you guys know how these hold up in the near future. Just remember that you guys need a drawer that has a minimum of 2.5 inches to hold these. Anything else, just let me know. If you have any questions, leave some comments, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. And I hope to see you guys on the next video. Peace!